Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change color on Snapseed. There are a couple of ways to change colors in Snapseed images depending on what you want to achieve. I'm going to show you two different methods, so let's get started. First of all, tap open your Snapseed application from your app drawer. Tap on the plus button on the middle of the screen and select an image from your device's library or take a picture from your camera and import it on the screen. Once you select a photo, go ahead and tap on the Tools option at the bottom. Click on Tune Image tool at the top left and then tap on the little slider at the bottom and go to Saturation. Swipe left or right in the middle of the screen in order to increase or decrease the saturation effect. Go ahead and increase or decrease the color vibrancy. You can also look for the ambience option and add more ambience to your photo. And once you do that, you will be able to add color on Snapseed. Another way you can do so is by using curves for advanced control. If you're happy with the result, you can save this photo, or if you want to explore more, go to the Tools option at the bottom again and then click on Curves at the very top of the pop-up. Once you select curve, now go ahead and explore with the curve line, move it upwards or inwards, and then choose your desired color effect. You can also go ahead and click on this little circle at the bottom left and manipulate individual color channels between red, green, blue, or luminance. After you are happy with your result after exploring through, go ahead and tap on the tick mark at the bottom right, and that way you will be able to add colors on your image using Snapseed. So that is the only way you can do so. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.